parents, brothers and sisters, they get a complete hotel stay a weekend. So what happens now?
Nós temos grupo de Merca, dos Marathon Expeditions, que nós está host pa siman, nang llega siman pasa, nós haci diferente actividad kunang, entre outro lighthouse run jaluna ko pasa no sa hasi run kunang no sabay Jolly Pirates kunang nangabay merdieri baboto tambe nangabay no sa tour ng Arikok kami na kunang hayang tour guides nandi park rangers nandi Arikok kana kunang din tres diferente ruta ino sa subi Hoyberg kunang iawe no sa finaliza simang di actividad aqui na San Nicolas ko art walk junto ko Leon Berenos ipa después nos vai terminar no simang na Rum Reef beach restaurant na Baby Beach.
Okay, let other people just turn around and repeat so I can put it on repeat so you can see it.
It's amazing. We have come here a couple of times. Our business marathon expeditions started on cruise ships. That's how we found Aruba the first time. And we stopped here and we spent the day here and it just wasn't enough time. So now we've brought a group of 60 people back. They're from all over the United States to explore Aruba for the week. So it's been wonderful. We've run and walked and hiked and to the lighthouse, to Arikok National Park, to climb the stairs at Hoiberg, snorkeling with Jolly Pirates, good food. We're staying at the Hilton, great service, great people. We're blown away by how welcoming it feels here for us. The happiness vibe is wonderful, and it's a great place to be active, to enjoy the beach, to relax, to eat, to drink, and be happy.
Sa conoci grupo aqui temporada ko ami tawata organisa kareda pa Arawak to nos tawata organisa eigenlijk day trip parang ku tawata run mainta busca na cruise ship hibanang na lokasyon anto hasi run kunang después hibanang back na cruise ship nos hasi saki dos biaha kunang na Aruba pero agora kinana nga decidi después de COVID kunang ta hasi trip nang di simang riba isla anto na escoge nos pa bingi ora pa bin back sa i kami na kuno sa host ng aming hunto kumikasaos ta host ng Pafule Simang.
It's such a happy place to be. I thought originally that just meant a marketing term, but truly throughout the island it's so embracing and it's really a fun place to be and we're welcomed with open arms.